Pala's Chief Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo says that the government can declare martial law with the COVID-19 pandemic as a basis, calling it, and we quote, an invasion of the disease. Some government officials backed his statements, while experts in the legal field quickly refuted what they called Panelo's creative interpretation of the law. Here's the report.
Malacanang Chief Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo has since been back on air, not a spokesperson, but in his own commentary show aired in state-owned network PTV. During the show on Monday, Panelo claimed that the so-called invasion of the coronavirus disease qualifies as a ground to declare martial law.
Ano bang meron ngayon? There is an actual invasion of the coronavirus disease, which is pandemic. It threatens, in fact, the entire country, yung lahat ng mga kababayan natin. So may actual na invasion. And public safety is endangered. And yun nga, hindi ba sinasabi ng Constitution, rebellion or invasion when public safety requires.
As of the latest tally, the country has recorded more than 9,000 cases of COVID-19, along with at least 600 deaths. Strict lockdown is in place in most areas in Luzon and major cities in Visayas and Mindanao. Foreign Affairs Secretary Teddy Locsin backed Panelo's pronouncement, saying a pandemic-triggered martial law places COVID-19 as the enemy and not any people in particular. Locsin insisted that a martial law order, even one caused by a virus, is still meant to protect the public. Retired Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio simply laughed off the issue when sought for comment. Justice Secretary Menardo Guevarra, on the other hand, took a more serious stand, saying the invasion being referred to in martial law meant an armed uprising either by foreign forces or a rebellion against government. Guevarra insists that in any case, an invasion by non-living things such as viruses does not qualify. The Integrated Bar of the Philippines shares the sentiment, saying that while it is a creative interpretation of the law, the 1987 Constitution has been clear about what should constitute as basis for declaring martial law. The IBP says the meaning of invasion under the Constitution should not be stretched to cover just any excuse to declare martial law. Last month, President Rodrigo Duterte threatened to impose his own kind of martial law should lawlessness persist amid enhanced community quarantine in the country, which is scheduled to end next week, May 15. For News 5, Ria Fernandez, We Are One News.